All right, got a no AC call. It is September 15th, and he said this thing runs continuously, but he said it runs outside, but I don't see it running outside. I cleaned this one up in April earlier in the year. And he didn't, well, I got a no AC call early in the year, and he didn't have power. He had the breaker shut off. He said he turned it on. See if I got voltage. And that would be no. Nothing. No voltage. See if my fuses are good. Fuses are good. Let me go turn the power on. Alright, breaker was tripped. Customer states they had a power outage. Oops. Now I got voltage there. We're gonna run through, check the capacitor and everything while I'm here. Let's see. Let's see what we have here. 30/5. We have 29. Let's see what this one is. It's 5. Good there. Contactor is pulled in, so I know my 24 volts is working. All right, let's start it up. Yeah, 2 amps? What size unit is this? I don't even sound it. Oh heck, this is a 1.5 ton. Run amps is 9. We'll get the gauges on it and see what it says. It's only running 3 amps. Let me go get my gauges. That's 3 amps just for the compressor. 3.65. Seems awfully low. But we are going to find out. Oh, I almost got bit by the capacitor. Hate that. .132. Superheat's a little high. Let's let it run. It's 304. I'll figure. Let it run 10 minutes. Let's see what it does. Superheat's kind of high. Subcooling's a little low. It's calling for 15. Let me let it run. No, it's not. Superheat's not coming down. Subcooling's not going up. It's not that hot in the house. So we're off a few ounces. Not much. Just a few. This unit was put in at 17, so I didn't look at the charge when I was out here last night. I'm running out of 410. I should have enough for this. Maybe not. Didn't realize I was that low on 410. I don't have another one on the truck. Well, let me let it run some more like this. Alright, with that AC, we got that one topped off. That one was a little short. It wasn't enough to say, you know, it was installed in 2017, and I wasn't about to go searching for a leak because it was enough to say, well, maybe it was never charged right, which is a possibility. Sometimes installers get in a hurry, they release a charge, forget about adding the extra charge in. Shit happens. Nothing you can do. So I kind of got it charged up, got it to like 13 degrees of subcooling. I thought I was good right there. And my superheat came down. I was right at like between 8 and 12 degrees of subcooling. I mean superheat, I'm sorry. 13 degrees of subcooling. It required 15, that's what it said on the tag. But we got him up and running. Unfortunately, they had a power outage, and apparently when the power went out, the AC was on, or they had a quick flicker. AC shut off and then went to turn back on and popped the breaker. But, you know, I mean, we only had, you know, it was a 1.5 ton unit. Run load amps was 9. It was on a 30 amp breaker. Locked rotor amps was 42. So I mean, or their breaker's getting weak. Because in the beginning of the year in April, I went there and reset the breaker again. I don't know if he shut it off or he had a power outage or something happened. That was in April I was out there and I did a cleaning on it. And it's dirty again, cottonwood. So I told him we got to get back out, do the maintenance on it in the spring, and then we'll check the charge again. And if it's low again, then I'll start searching. You know, I don't want to open up a can of worms right now. It is September, and pretty much he would have said, hey, we'll just wait till next spring to take care of it. So that's it for this one. Just a quick AC call, and I will see you on the next one. Like and subscribe, guys.